feel the thunder, lightning and the thunder, 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 feel the thunder, lightning and the thunder, 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 feel the thunder, lightning and the thunder.
Well, look what we got today, YouTube. Look at this, look at this. What we have is the Magnum Research 50 caliber gold plated Desert Eagle Pistolero, and I've been kind of wanting one of these for a while, especially since Deadpool showed them in Deadpool 3, and the gold plated is what I wanted. This is the box. It's just the old plastic box, but it's kind of nice. You know, you can go to the range of that box if you want. Let's take a look. Let's open her up. All right, let's see, we got this the pamphlet packet with the chamber lock and the tool, cleaning tool in it, and it comes wrapped up in the plastic with one magazine, unfortunately, but I want the gold plated magazine, so I'm gonna have to buy the aftermarket one. But also got some ammo from Magnum Research. Let's take a look at the ammo. That's the round. Pretty sweet. Little hollow point there. And we're not going to shoot it today, but we are going to shoot it probably in my next video. But I'll set it up on the tripod and take a closer look at it. All right, yeah. All right. Let's look in the pamphlet. Yeah. Got these different whatnot paperwork to read. I didn't. It does have that. That's a cleaning tool right here that comes with it. I'll have to see how you use this cleaning tool, but it's kind of weird. Have to look more into that and see how to do it. And you got a copy of the Constitution. Huh. And fascinating facts about it. Sweet. All right. Let's get this case off the table and take a look. Okie dokie. Get rid of the plastic here. Let me tell you, this thing is a fingerprint magnet. So I'm gonna get prints on it just while we're looking at it here, but look at this beauty. It says Desert Eagle pistol, made in the USA. PTAE on this side. And then it says Magnum Research Incorporated, made in the USA, Minnesota. Pilliger, is that how you say it? I don't know. We got serial number. It's got a pick rail on top. But look at that mirror finish. It's a gold titanium nitrate finish. It's just got blacked out sights. Looks like I seen some of them that had a gold sight on it, but yeah, it needs a good cleaning up already because everybody been holding it at the gun shop. Let's rack it back. See if I can. Ooh, it's a beast to get back there. Look inside that thing. So it's got like an AR style bolt, which is very unusual in a pistol, and it also has a gas system in it. It's down here inside here. You can see that's what makes the function of the slide go back, is the gas. But then you got your slide lock right here, and it's got a good trigger pull on it too. I didn't have my tool with me to see what it is, but it says about a 4-pound trigger pull. But man, what a gorgeous piece of machinery, right? Doesn't have much practicality, but it is definitely a showpiece, showstopper. So y'all let me know what you think, and we're gonna next video we'll get out there and we'll take some shots, but hopefully they'll let me shoot it at my range since it's a 50 cal. So we'll see. That's it, guys. That's what comes in the box. Y'all have a good one. We out.